Well, hey there guys, what's going on? Look at what I bring you guys today. I bring you guys the 2015 Nissan ALtima. Obviously you see that the car moves now. Holy shit. So yeah, we're pretty much 95% done with this car. Body wise, everything is all done on the car. Actually it came out really good. So looking at the car here, obviously you can tell, really overall everything looks good. Everything lines up really good. Gaps are all pretty good on it. It's driver quality, that's what I'm looking at. Yeah, it's got a little boo-boo right there, but something, it is what it is. I'm not spending a ton of money on this car. Sorry about the wind noise. But overall, yeah, I think the car came out really good. So let's take a look under the hood. Okay, so looking underneath the hood. Looks just like a Nissan ALtima, doesn't it? Now it does. Everything turned out pretty good on it, if you ask me. Everything went back together just like it should. Everything lines up really good. Obviously we had to replace the fuse box. We had to replace the whole engine harness. The computer here, you can tell where the computer was damaged when it got hit. Don't understand why Nissan puts their ECM right there. Kind of a poor spot, if you ask me. If you ask me, I don't understand why Nissan puts the ECM and the TCM right here. A very poor judgment on their behalf, because if this car gets hit, or any of these Altimas get hit in this corner here, guess what? That gets damaged right there. I think we have some issues with it anyway, so. But yeah, everything else came back together good. Can't really complain. Obviously, the only notable area that you can see that where we did the repair is right in here. Went ahead and called Nissan. We do have the cover coming for it. Obviously, it's a little felt cover or whatever, a little piece of cardboard, whatever that thing is. Kind of goes in there and hides all this right here, and it makes it look nice. So once we put that on, that'll hide that repair right there. So overall, I think the car came out really good. So let's go ahead and start it up and see how it runs. So as you guys can see, the car's got 75, 313 on the ODO. Not a bad car if you ask me. Starts fine, runs good. Got that check engine light there. That is a problem right there. Obviously, in order for us to get tags for this, we need that check engine light off, and it's got a bunch of different codes on it for various different things. So take a look at the code, see what we have here. So basically the first code we have is P0328, which is the knock sensor. Not too sure what's up with that. Then obviously you got the P1557, which is something to do with the battery sensing circuit. I have a feeling that we're missing that piece there on the negative cable there, because I actually did replace the negative cable with one from Walmart, and I didn't realize that we do need that sensing circuit for the battery. But it may clear up a lot of these faults here too. This U0101, so for the TCM, well, that usually indicates that you've lost communication with the the TCM. And I got that U1001, obviously lost communication. You got the P0507, which is something to do with the idle control circuit. Got a bunch of various different codes, guys, that we have to deal with on this car to get a sticker for it. Okay, that means that I obviously have to go through and fix everything that needs to be fixed here, so this way we can get the pass inspection. So, but yeah, that will be a problem for sure. Yeah, you can listen to the engine. It runs extremely well for what it is. And I'm very happy with the car in general. So, but overall, I think it's a nice car, and I think we did pretty good on this. This right here, this wire right here, is for the battery sensing circuit. Obviously, it goes on the negative cable, so I'm going to need to find one of those. and looking at those from Nissan, about $100 for that. So we'll have to go to the boneyard and get one of those. So, but yeah, I think we did pretty good on this car. What do you guys think? For what it is, for what it was to what it is, I think we did really well. But overall, I think it's a decent car. It'll make a decent car for somebody. And the question is, you know, am I going to keep it myself? Probably not. I'm going to probably just end up selling it. So, this is a pretty plain Jane Altima, if you ask me. Nothing special. So, well, that's where we're going to conclude it, guys. I really appreciate you guys joining me here today. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.